after installing your Facebook pixel, the next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to create an event code. And this is what we need exactly to track successful actions that's being taken on your website, such as how do we know people that are signing up to your website through your landing page and they end up on the thank you page. So we need to install an extra piece of code or another step over there. Now I have to admit that I kind of miss the old way of setting things up because I would say that's a little bit more intuitive, but this is also just as easy to set up, just in a different way. And I'm going to show you how to do just that. Now at this point, be sure that you have your landing page and your thank you page ready to go. Then we can do this step. Okay, so if you haven't done that just yet, pause this video, make sure that your landing page and your thank you page are ready to go, and then I'm going to show you how to set up your lead event. Alright, okay, so let's get going. I'm going to just use one of my pixels here as an example to show you how to create an event code. Now just ignore all these things that you're seeing here right now, because if you're looking at a brand new account, you're not going to see any activity, and that's irrelevant here. Okay, so we select the pixel that you're going to be using. So in your case, you probably just created one. We'll click on Add Events, and we're going to select this thing called From the Pixel. Okay, so we're going to click on this blue button called Open Event Setup Tool. Now, over here, we're going to put in the address of your thank you page. So that means when people sign up to your landing page, they enter their details into your autoresponder, you're going to redirect them to this page called the thank you page. So you will put in your address for the thank you page here. So in my case, I'm just going to put one of the examples here. Make sure that the page is already published and it already exists. Okay, click on Open Website. Here we are. So you will notice that we are visiting the thank you page for one of my landing page offers here, and there's this window that you can see at the top left. Okay, events on this page and all events. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to click on lead. So we're going to track leads here. Okay, you can see that there are many other types. There's view content, submit application, there's complete registration. It's up to you actually how you want to define it. So we're going to select leads. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to click on track a URL. Okay, and select the event you like to track. You can call it anything you want. I'm going to go with leads because it's the most obvious, and URL equals to this exact address that I just published. Okay, I'm going to click on confirm. So what this just means, if you look at the bottom right, setup complete, the lead event is live and being tracked. So what this means to say that from now on, whoever visits this particular page, the event will fire. So what does it mean by event firing is that for someone who comes from Facebook ad and they end up on this page, we're going to track it as one action called a lead. All right, and you can see that this is also applicable if you give it other names like complete registration, scheduling, whatsoever. But I just go with leads because it's the most straightforward and easy to understand. And once we're done, we just click on finish setup and we're done. Okay, that's really all there is to it.